What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. We got a busy day today. We still have this car here we got done. We have to deliver that. Another customer is dropping off a car this afternoon, and we actually got this one in I wasn't expecting today. So I was out and about, hitting body shops, and I was supposed to go to this customer's house. Looked like a little dent on the fender. He sent me a photo. So when I got there was a lot more damage than what I thought. So I told him I'm gonna need it in the garage, bring it back here. I'm gonna be a few hours on it, so I'll take you through what we got. It's a BMW X3, and you can see the dents are on the fender here. So up top on that fender, it's really high, right around this area. There's another dent there, right kind of on the body line, and below it, above that marker light, a dent over the body line there, and then even down into there, the bottom of the fender. So we got our work cut out for us on this. Again, in photos, sometimes you can't see everything in the photos, and all I saw was a little shimmer on the top of the fender, and I told him, yeah, I could do that at your place, but once I got there and saw it, I knew we needed it back here. So we got it here. Again, I wasn't planning on doing a video on this just because it's a busy day, but I figure it might be a nice video, so let's get going and see how it turns out. All right, good news is we have plenty of access in here. You could see inside the fender there, it's all open. We're gonna be able to get a nice tool in there and get on the dent. I know when I first started doing dent removal, inside the fenders were always double paneled, and it was really tough to get into them. Even up through the wheel well was tough trying to get into the fenders. So it's nice these newer cars are kind of open in there. It's good for dent guys, I guess. So it shouldn't be too bad getting the tools we need on this one. So let's get going. All right, we are all finished up. It came out really nice. It's funny, a lot of people think when the dents are shallow like that they're easier to do. It's actually kind of harder, because when the dents are shallow, I mentioned this before about that tin can effect. You know, you push on it, it pops out and goes back down, pops out and goes back down. So it's a little harder to bend the metal the way it should be. But in any case, it came out nice. I'll show you kind of what our results here. And also, what I did was I put an extension on my tool here, just because there was so much area in there. I didn't want that tool spinning around when I was working on it. Not only that, instead of using your arms and shoulders to push, you could kind of like just get your wrist and just tweak it like that. And then that way it saves your shoulders, your arms from like getting fatigued. So, but yeah, so you can see it came out really nice, even that down there, that bigger one by the marker, that one on the body line there, that bigger one up top there. So did a lot of tapping. There was a lot of tapping involved, but you know, just follow the process that we usually do, and it came out nice. So I think he'll be happy with it. I'm happy with it. So we'll move on to the next one. Again, if you guys like the video, if you can, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.